Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Reyhana and today I want to show you how to crochet the beautiful basket. This basket is very useful and you can put most of the things into this basket. So let's go to see how to crochet this beautiful basket, but before that please subscribe my channel and like my video. For this tutorial I use cotton yarn. As you can see I have 3 of this cotton yarn and I use the hook. The size of the hook is 30 mm and we need a pair of scissors and a needle. So for the first round I'm going to make magic ring. So put the yarn between your finger, then put the hook under this part and above of this part, then yarn over and make 1 chain. Okay, now I have magic ring. Into this magic ring I'm going to make single crochet and we need 6 of these single crochet. So 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then you need to make a slip stitch in the first stitch exactly here. Make just 1 slip stitch and now you have the first round of this circle. Then make 1 chain and again under this part we need 2 single crochet, so 1 and 2. Then in the next stitch again we need 2 single crochet. So as you can see in each stitches we need 2 single crochet until we arrive here, and in the end we have 12 of these single crochet. Now I have 12 single crochet. Then in the first stitch I'm going to make a slip stitch and now the second round is complete. Then again 1 chain and under this part here we need just 1 single crochet, and in the next stitch we need 2 single crochet. So we must repeat this set. So in the next stitch we need just 1 single crochet and in the next stitch we need 2 single crochet. So when we arrive in the end of this round we have 18 of these single crochet. I finished this round and I have 18 single crochet. Again put the yarn, put the hook in the first stitch and make 1 slip stitch, then make 1 chain and under this part make 1 single crochet. Again in the next stitch just 1 single crochet, and then in the next stitch you must increase, so we need 2 single crochet. So 1 1 then 2. So repeat 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet in the same stitches. So you must continue until you arrive here, and when you arrive here you have 24 of these single crochet. Now again make a slip stitch and then 1 chain. Here we need just 1 single crochet, again 1 single crochet, again 1 single crochet, then we need to increase, so in the next stitch we need 2 single crochet in the same stitch, so 1 1 1 and 2. Again 1 2 and 3 single crochet, then increase, so we need 2 single crochet together. Continue until you arrive here, and in the end you have 30 of these single crochet. Again make a slip stitch when you finish this round and then 1 single crochet, again 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet and 4 single crochet. Then here in the next stitch we need 2 single crochet together, 1 2 3 4 single crochet single, and 2 of them must be together, 1 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6 must be together. So again, when you arrive here, you have 36 of these single crochet. When you complete 6 rounds, you must make a slip stitch and then 1 chain, and then make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then when you arrive in the 6th stitch, make 2 single crochet together. And when you arrive in the end, you have 42 of these single crochet. Now I complete 7 rounds and I make a slip stitch in the first stitch, then 1 chain. And now for the 8th round, for the round 8, number 8, you need 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 single crochet, then increase. So you have this shape and you must continue this, and when you arrive here you have 48 of this single crochet. Now I arrive in the end and 1 chain. Again, for the next round, this is number 9, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have 7 of these, and now when I have 7 of this single crochet, then we need increase, so 2 single crochet together. And when you arrive in the end, you have 54 of this single crochet. I finish this round. Again, make a slip stitch and 1 chain. I have this shape, as you can see. Again, make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And when you have 8 of this single crochet, make 2 single crochet together, and when you arrive in the end, you have 60 of these single crochet. Now in round number 10, I have 60 of this single crochet, and again make slip stitch in the first stitch, and then you must continue this 60 stitch for 4 rounds. So this is the first round of this 60 single crochet, but you must continue this for 4 rounds, and in the end you have 14 of this round. So restart, make 1 chain and just 1 single crochet, again just 1 single crochet in each stitch until you complete this round. So you need 4 rounds of this 60 single crochet. Now I complete 4 of this round with 60 single crochet, then I make a slip stitch, and now I cut the yarn, and we must use the needle to hide the extra yarn. Then I use different color. I use green color of yarn and put the hook here. Then make 3 chains like this, and then into this hole again yarn over for 3 times. This is 1, 2, and 3. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 of this loop, and all of them together. Then make 1 chain, and again, put a hook here in the same hole, and yarn over for 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Then yarn over in all of this loop and make 1 chain. Now I have this shape. Then skip these 2 stitch, 1 and 2, and in the 3rd stitch here, yarn over again for 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Then together and 1 chain, and again in the same hole, 1, 2, and 3, and then 1 chain, and again 1, 2, 3 here. Repeat until you complete this round. Now I complete this round, and I have this stitch. They are look like leaf. Then put the hook here in above of this part and make just 1 slip stitch. Then cut the yarn and use the needle to hide the extra yarn. For the next round, we need to make some stitch here. They all look like flower. So put the hook between these 2 V puffs here exactly, and then yarn over, make 3 chains, and then make double crochet. 1, 2, again, 2, 3, and 4. Then put the hook here in the 3rd chain, and then here, and make popcorn stitch. So again here, and make yarn over into this stitch and make popcorn stitch like this. Now you have this shape. Then make 3 chains, and then put the hook again between these V puffs and make double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then put the hook here in the 1st stitch, then in part, yarn over and make 3 chain. And now you have this shape. If you back this on this part, they are here. So you must repeat again until you arrive here. Now I finished this round, and you can have lots of beautiful flower. Wow, I love this. I want to kiss this. They're so cute. Okay, and then I have 3 chains, and then I put the hook here and make just 1 slip stitch, and then cut the yarn and use a needle to hide the extra yarn. Okay, for the next round, use white color and put the needle here between these 2 cute flower crochet, and then yarn over, make 2 chains. Then we need 2 half double crochet here, so this is 1, and then this is 2 half double crochet here, and then when you complete this, make 1 chain and go to the next hole, and again 3 half double crochet here. So this is 1, 2 and 3. Again 1 chain and go to the next hole and 3 half double crochet, 2 and 3 and 1 chain. So you must continue as this until again you arrive here. I finished this round and I arrive here, and again I make a slip stitch in the second chain here, and then 1 chain and cut the yarn and use a needle to hide the extra yarn. Now I finished this basket. As you can see, this is so nice, very cute and really beautiful, and you can put most of the things here, and you can make in bigger than this size. This is so cute. I love this. This crochet flower make this happier, and you can use in different color and put most of the things, for example your jewelry or everything you have here, and enjoy this spring basket crochet. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any question, put your question in comment part, and please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.